My name is Amado Cruz, and in this video we're going to talk about submitting longer prompts to ChatGPT and also uploading files for analysis. So let's start with just submitting long prompts. First, log into your ChatGPT account, and then let's say brainstorm a list of 50 viral hooks for my TikTok videos. And then what you want to do, let's say you want to add a whole other paragraph, you would click Shift Enter, and this will add an extra line and it'll allow you to create a multi-line prompt. For each viral hook, create a subhook that would immediately follow the first hook. And you could do that again, Shift Enter, and add more information if you wanted to. This is really helpful if you have a super long prompt, and it can be hard to read and follow. So you can break it up into multiple lines like this, so it's easier for you to scan and refer back to later. So let's go ahead and click Enter. Now, ChatGPT is brainstorming 50 viral hooks for your TikTok videos, along with a subhook to keep viewers engaged. And as a person who uses TikTok, these are pretty good. Okay, I'm going to pause the generation. Again, you could do that here. And now, what I want to show you is how to upload a file. Grab a PDF or something on your computer, and then click this paperclip icon. It says Attach File, Upload from Computer. Or you can connect it to your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. The simplest approach, though, is to upload from your computer. Now, I'm uploading an inspection report from a recent client. And so now what I want to tell ChatGPT to do is analyze the attached PDF, find the most serious issues, and provide me with an estimate of repair or replacement costs. Okay? So ChatGPT is analyzing the PDF and brainstorming on what the most serious issues found in the inspection report are, along with the estimate repair or replacement costs. Now, as you can see, it's got some roof issues, some HVAC issues that it found in the report, and it's also providing a total estimated cost range, depending on the severity of the issue and the labor costs in the area. It also asks if I'd like to refine for further based on specific priorities or get quotes from contractors. And that's how I can tell ChatGPT actually did analyze what the PDF was, because I didn't give it any of this information other than for it to analyze it and come back with that information. And the cool thing is you could upload additional file types as well: PDF, spreadsheet, CVS, even images. Now, I'm going to start a new chat, and I'm going to upload a different sort of file. I'm going to upload a screenshot of a chatbot workflow. And I'm going to say, you will be given an image of a chatbot workflow, analyze the image, then describe step by step how the chatbot works. Okay, so I'm uploading this image again using the attach file functionality, and then I'm just asking ChatGPT to analyze the image. No other information besides the image, and describe how it works. And it's doing it. There you go, it's accurate. So it starts with a trigger, an event, which is absolutely represented by the start node. Okay, let me just expand the photo. Here's a start. This is a workflow, how the chatbot works. Then the next steps, it reads the user's text, or the chatbot greets the user with the message. Then the chatbot provides options from the user to choose from, checks the user's topic selection, and then again, that was really cool. ChatGPT was able to provide this analysis just from a photo of the chatbot workflow. I gave it no additional context besides the image. So, in this short video, just to recap, I showed you how to submit longer prompts that use multiple lines, and also how to attach a file for ChatGPT to analyze. If you're on the free plan, usage of this file attachment feature will be limited, and eventually you'll hit a limit and it'll ask you to upgrade to Plus, or to try again tomorrow after a certain time limit. So this is an incentive to upgrade to the Plus plan, which is again $20 per month. Again, my name is Amado Cruz, and I hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thanks.